Gold against US dollar this week has continued its bullish move, and we can see that this week has completely been bullish except on a Thursday where this small bearish candle has formed when the price reached 2048 supply zone, this resistance level. The price continued with a strong bullish breakout to the upside above 2016 without going back down, where I have expected the price could reverse back down when touching this area, but something has happened with the bulls. That bulls has managed to push the price even higher, going above two resistance levels. We can see it here, and it has reached this 1 monthly 2072, which is a very critical level. We can see what has happened in the past. On the weekly time frame, we can see it's completely bullish. The price has made a breakout to the upside above 2004 price level, which is a very important level, and it has reached 2072. And on a monthly time frame, what we can see, this bullish breakout has been confirmed here with this previous month candle, and the month has ended above at 203, and we can see this month has continued to move up. So what we can see also, what is the analysis further on, what I am expecting. I am expecting on the monthly time frame that we could see a retrace around 2072 and going down, reaching around the area 1995. Here we can see it. This is the next support level for the price on the monthly time frame. But the price also could happen that the price do not reverse back down, but goes up and makes a breakout to the upside, and then finding a confirmation for the further move up to the upside. So we will see what happens on the daily and also weekly time frame, because they are more important, because this month has just started. On the weekly time frame, I am expecting that in the next week we could see the price reversing back down because of this strong bullish move. So I'm expecting there is some kind of selling pressure here that will push the price down, and also the bulls who have took the price from here to up here, they will get also out from their trades, and we'll see the price dropping down. So this is what I'm expecting, because this is the wide area that the price needs to confirm that there is enough buyers, and also the sellers have gone outside. They will push even more up. So this bullish breakout I would like to see confirm it, but we'll see what happens on the daily. So very critical level for the weekly time frame is 2016 and currently 2072. In between, we can see that the price could stop and also reach 2032, and also on the upper side 2047. So we can see 2047 is this one here. We can see it here on the daily time frame, and around 202 is this one here, the lower side on the daily time frame. So we can see these are also the levels visible on the weekly and also daily time frame that are very important. So after the price has made a breakout to the upside, I'm expecting the price to reverse back down around 1.250, which is the start of this demand zone here, just to confirm this bullish breakout from the Friday. So on a Monday, I would like to see the price going down here, not going back inside, which will this breakout will not be validated, and it will be cancelled where I will expect the price to continue to down to here, to this price level 2016, and from here then find a support before moving to the upside. So something that could happen, and also that is that the price continues to move up, going above 2072 and making a bullish breakout, and then returning back down, confirming this bullish breakout. So the first day on the next week is very important for me, and I will watch what happens here and how the market behaves. So in this case, we'll see what happens on a Monday, but this is what are my thoughts about the next week analysis, and also what I am expecting what will happen on the market. Before you go, and also before I finish this analysis, I would like to mention that inside the description below this video you have a free PDF if you want to get it inside an email, where I will share with you steps how to start trading, and also what is the strategy that I'm currently using with this supply demand zones, what I'm currently using in this analysis. Feel free, check it, and see you next time. Happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.